In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to add payment method on Shopify. To begin, access the settings section and then navigate to payments. From there, click on add payment methods. In this section, you can add specific payment platforms by searching for them. Click on the desired payment platform to proceed. Please note that it might take some time to load the information. Alternatively, you have the option to add a manual payment method. To do this, click on Create Custom Payment Method. You can then name the provider and provide the required information and the remaining boxes. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Activate to complete the process. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.